Good morning, everybody. This is Joe. Oh, this guy really liked our bikes as well. We're on the monkey bikes, and this is probably going to be 20 minutes of you watching a lot of laughing. It's just going to be constant laughing and childishness and bad behaviour.
No, getting nowhere fast.
Reckless behaviour on the roads and skids and stuff. So this is Joe's monkey bike, because Joe's a moron like me, and he saw mine and gone, actually that looks really fun, so he's bought one. He bought the handguards, he's bought the mirrors. Black Widow exhaust, which is much louder than my Scorpion. And this is obviously my bike, as you all know very well. This is my SW Motec tank bag. That's Joe's SW Motec tank bag, which is literally the same. And this is a Givey tank bag of mine from a while ago. This is one I used to use years and years ago. There's a lovely chap called Mike, who is one of my Patreons, and he's only just got into biking. So he's just got himself a Triumph Sprint 955i, and he's having it repainted and all sorts of stuff, and he wants to use that as his sort of, I mean, he's doing a really nice job of restoring it, actually. I'll put his Instagram on the screen somewhere. He was looking at tank bags and he said, what's a really good one? But he doesn't want to spend a shed load of money, because he's spent a load of money getting his bike repainted and all sorts of stuff. So I said to him, buy a Givey tank ring and I'll give you this one, because I don't use it anymore. So we are going to ride, or is it 30 something miles?
27.
Oh yeah, 27 miles up to his house, which is apparently going to take us nearly an hour because we're on the back road.
Doesn't surprise me, it's probably going to take us longer.
Yeah, and we're going to have no tyres by the time we get there, because we keep just stamping on the rear brakes. I have to say, the funniest thing is, like, obviously I'm a knob on this bike, and then as soon as you got on this bike, I just seen you skid everywhere. It's so funny. I'm like, oh, glad it's not just me then. So yes, we're going to get on the road, we're going to go and do this knobbery, and hopefully the bikes are going to last, because I'm charging my phone, but I'm also going to plug in all my heated gear. I'm using the same kind of technique I was in France to record the Cardo audio, so I'm hoping it records well.
Off you go.
Thanks, babes. Let's come to a very sensible stop.
Thing is with the Nobblies is that you can see it so clear when your rear tire stops. So silly.
And stop.
Oh, you literally got blue smoke off the rear tire then as well.
And everyone watching, my speedo's inaccurate, because I have knobbly tyres. I'd actually be interested to see if mine's any quicker off the line than yours is, because of the clutch.
It's part, like, I cannot feel my clutch at all. Oh, stopping.
I can just smell tyre.
Yeah, yours is definitely quicker off the line.
Yeah, it's so nice to have that clutch feel. Mike, if we get there, mate, and there's no tank bag on the back, you know why.
Oh no, there's been an accident.
An accident.
I just bounced off the limiter.
Knee down. Because I've got a smaller front sprocket as well, so I wonder if there's any difference.
Oh god, I've got water coming out my eyes.
I've actually got a headache.
This tapping Dakar is going to be the most ludicrous thing in the world, because we're not going to make it anywhere. We're going to spend the whole time laughing.
We might have abs by the end of it. Not ABS, abs. We definitely don't have ABS. It's so much louder than mine.
Oh, in all seriousness, like, I love my African tour, but holy crap, this is the funniest $4 grand I've spent. How did you run your bike in? Really fucking gently?
Oh yeah, Joe's bike. How many miles has it got on it?
201.
Yeah, so you're still running that in. My small sprocket's done me a dirty there. Oh, I've just got a backfire. I like your jeans, Joe. Where are they from?
RoadSkin.
Oh, that's great. Do you like my jeans?
They RoadSkin as well.
They are indeed. Yeah, they are.
Are they the new ones though?
They are Paranoid X. Oh, that hurt.
So what's the difference between those and these ones?
Oh, look, you're such a pro YouTuber. I'm so proud of you. These ones, if you're asking, Joe, are basically Taranis jeans on the outside, but they have I can't remember what it's called, like a twin double Kevlar liner or something in them.
Oh, so they've got an extra lining. Is that for safety or warm?
It makes them double warm, which means
so weather like today, they're perfect.
Yep. God, you're such a pro YouTuber. You're literally better at me than being a YouTuber. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Yes. No.
You get the strict slipstream, and the second you pop out, you just like that.
It just. Yeah, no, it doesn't do that. Take the racing line!
I just need to get a little bit closer to the van and then I've got it slipstream.
Yeah, you're getting away from me.
Yes!
Yes! Yes! The fastest overtake in the world! Come on, girl! Yes! Yes!
Got too much wind. No! No!
Yes! Come on, girl! Yes! The power! The speed! And all this time, my phone's charging and I've got my heated gloves on.
That's ridiculous.
It's just hearing my tyre and then hearing your tyre. Oh, you're making me roll off, mate. Please don't make me overtake you on a 9 horsepower monkey bike. Oh, come on. If I bully her off the road, is that legal?
I'm sorry, but if she tried to phone the police and say she was being bullied by 2 motorcycles and they come out and see me, they're just going to go.
Shut up. Yeah. Ow, just got twatted in the face by a snow. Yes. Yes. No. No. It's just not going anywhere. Oh, how you done that? Oh, how's he done me? Oh, I'm reeling you in. Reeling you in. Yes.
No!
Oh.
Did neither of us know where
I
to get
just shit myself. Oh my god. So everyone watching, we filled both bikes up, and Joe had like what do you have, like maybe quarter of a tank, half a tank?
I think it was half a tank.
Half a tank, and I put £9 in of premium fuel to fill both bikes. Oh, he's done me. Oh. That's alright, I'll get back in your slipstream. Oh, he's gonna go around the outside! Around the outside! Cut him off! Right, we're in St Neots, everyone, so I might not film all of this because I don't want everyone to know where Mike lives. Straight over. Left, 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 left. Hello, mate! How are you? You good?
Yeah, nice
Mike, Joe, joke, Mike.
All right.
His bike's so much louder than mine.
Do you know what? I heard. Did you come over the bypass? Over the,
Yeah.
I heard. I was like, I stood out here and I was like, sounds like two monkey bikes.
This is Mike, who's one of the Patreons. Legend. This is his tank bag that I bought him, but this is also the 955 Triumph that I mentioned. This was what the previous owner had done. Just sort of a green speckled kind of.
They're actually the best parts.
They're the best parts.
They were the best parts of the bike.
I mean, yeah, they're not the best parts, are they? And it was like, it had a really, how would you say, lovely green seat. So he's just had this repainted in a blue, which is really nice. Very nice. Yeah, we're going to give him his tank bag and then we'll get on the go. But thank you very much for watching. And that was just like 20 minutes of me and Joe laughing a shitload. So yeah, you're welcome. And I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!